Behind the scenes of Malanalove on the road. Hi guys, this is Lupe with Malanalove, and I'm getting ready to do my first long video. So bear with me, it's like back and forth. I'm learning how to add my intro, the beginning, the ending, volume, the cutting, basically just I'm self-taught, so give me a break if it's all over the place. At least I'm trying. So far I've been on doing this video, getting all the footage in one editing system, and that alone, because I have my camera, my iPhone, my iPad, and I'm trying to grab all the video footage. And yeah, and I'm using this thing. I don't know if you could see it. Let me see. Can you see that? No, you can't. I'm adding a device on a Sims card to put it all on a card and then download it on my editing system. And yeah, now I see why they pay you for your time. Because yeah, because it's my first long video, I'm thinking it's going to be more than like, if you add it all up, all the footages and clips, it's going to be more than a half an hour. But putting it together, it's more like 3 hours or maybe 4. So just bear with me, guys. I'm trying to get this so you guys can see what we do, Malanalove. And yeah, I'm the founder, Women's Custom Apparel. We do private label. We do custom our own designs on my website, Malanalove.com, for those of you that don't know me. Yeah, so I'm in my shop now, and I want to get this out to you guys. So yeah, this is my, I guess, not really my intro. I have a good one relating to drag racing, motorsports, hot rods, custom cars, anything to rock climbing, sand cars and boats. I go all over. And girls, you'll see behind the scenes of all these events that I do. So yeah, it's going to be worth your while when you can see custom cars, hot rods, celebrities. Yeah, you'll get to see a little bit of everything inside, what it takes to set up a booth, what I do as far as loading up my truck. And you would be so surprised when you see my layout, and you're going to be shocked that all of it fits in my truck. So yeah, let me get this started. But this is my first long video that I've been trying to take the time, and you know what, today's the day. So much has given me the inspiration to launch this on YouTube, because yeah, it's like the new thing of 2023. You know, I'm spending all this money for space rent to do all these shows around the world, and you guys can't see it. Well, the girls, my goal is to get my customers to see me behind the scenes, what it takes. You know, you see my garments, they're pretty reasonable for plus size, regular size, and junior. And you just got to bear with me. So yeah, I want you guys to see what it takes to do what I do. I'm going to be 52 years old next month, and I'm not even there yet of stopping. Nope. I'm a one-woman shop. I live on my own because I chose it that way. Yes, girls. I love what I do, and I want to just get bigger and better. You know, I've already graduated, but now I want to do the next step, which is social media. So yeah, I'm self-taught and I'm still learning every day. That's the challenge. You gotta keep moving. And me, my mouth is moving, my body's moving. I'm moving. So that, I hope I inspire you girls to never give up and to, you know, if you just got $2 in the bank and you got all this equipment, you know, and you got to use it. You got to use what you got. And that's what I'm doing. You know, I could have a shitload of money in the bank, but I need to just learn from what I have. And yeah. Anyways, so yeah, here we go. And wish me luck. But this is my first. And yeah, it's not a challenge. I like challenges, you know. But it keeps me educated. You know, what people want on Instagram, which I said, you know, I have an Instagram account, but I don't keep up with it. Well, I get it. People are making money. People are advertising, and people are promoting if they own a business on Instagram. Hell, I just been showing pictures. No add-ons, no videos, no volume. And I'm like, you know what? I got to do it. So over this past weekend, I actually launched bits and pieces of a brochure kind of thing, like a sales this weekend. I can't believe it, guys. I did it in one weekend. Actually, I did it in one day. I did a newsletter, launched it to my followers that buy from me in the past 23 years. That's how long I've been doing this. And it was a great response over the weekend. I got a lot of sales, and that was just one sales channel when I have 8. So can you imagine if I hit all 8 of those, kept it all going in-house, instead of going on the road, busting my bones and spending all this capital on, what do they call it, real estate? Well, gosh, I want to keep that money and just keep growing and lower my cost. Because I don't want to go up on price. I mean, yeah, the shipping went up. Your bank account statements monthly went up. Your auto insurance went up. Everything went up this year. So what I'm going to do is, I want you guys to follow me and let me show you what I do behind the scenes, going on the road at 52 years old with no Botox yet, thank God. And let me just continue loving what I do, and I will keep the cost down. I just want you guys to follow me and let me just enjoy being in-house, and I will lower my cost on my product because I am the manufacturer. I make my product, okay? You pick the design, you pick the artwork, and custom, if you want your ride, your car, your dog, anything on a picture, I can create. If you go to my website and you click on custom, you will see all the car events that I've done, rally garments for the events that I've done, private label, okay? I can't sell them, I sell them to them, okay? So, yeah, for those of you girls that want to do what I do, well, buckle up, man, because it's a lot of work. But, you know, I have been doing this since 2000, 23 years. And I'd rather just keep doing what I do, but mainly being in-house, okay? I'm going to keep saying that throughout my videos. Some of my videos, you're going to recognize me with my hair down, with hair extensions, with long hair, short hair. Yeah, I like to change, just like the seasons change. You know, one minute I'm freaking freezing and I'm wearing my, you know, warm gear. And then the next day I'll be wearing summer line. And yeah, it's like 4th of July is coming up, and you're going to be seeing me wearing a lot of what we do for this season. So let me see, I just lost it. So yeah, today, okay, I'm going to say the date. Today is June the 5th, 2023. And here I go with my first video on YouTube. So ladies, if you follow me or you send me a subscribe either on YouTube or on my website, then you will see the upcoming events that I do and the launch of my apparel. I launch once a month. It's not all the time because I do go on the road. But yeah, so let me get this going, this video clip, finish it, and give me a like. And stay tuned because there's going to be a lot of shows coming up here soon. Car shows, I have a few. Yes, car shows, festivals, indoor conventions. And yeah, you're going to see a little of everything. So here we go. Thank you guys. This is Malanalove. I'm Malana. And thank you for watching my channel. Give me a like and just watch the whole clip. So this is the banner for the Rockabilly this year. And this is one of the most beautiful cars I've seen. And this is cashed out that played at the Rockabilly, followed with some pinup girl all over the event. They were at the car show. They were inside the event. It was amazing, guys. So this is kind of what was on social media about the event, and another cashed out printout. This is behind the scenes from last year, 2022 festival. And here's a great friend of mine and a picture of her husband. It'll follow. This is my business card, Malanalove.com. And a small little clip. And this is her husband. They are a great team. Oh my God. Amazing people I met there. A repeat customer. And this place, guys, Sam's Place, they have the best Bloody Marys, even though I don't drink anymore. But yeah, and of course, Harley Davidson was there. And there I am next to my truck setting up. And this is my booth with my logo, all in rhinestone. Okay, so I got my dinero, or my money. But yeah, so this is the camp. There's actually more. I think these are for vendors, for vendors to camp out. But yeah, see, there's the lake. It is beautiful out here in Havasu, guys. But yeah, so you can have a glimpse. I'm gonna take you over there before it gets crazy busy. So there it is. That is Lake Havasu. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Yep. Yep. All right, guys, I gotta go back. Didn't come out here to have a vacation. I will do that on Monday. It's a holiday, President's Day. For those of you that are following me, this is, wow, I'm gonna take a week off. After I get back, I gotta get 3 shows done. I could do it. Anyways, okay, I gotta save my battery time, but here we go. I'm walking back. And I'll give you bits and pieces of the show. Yeah. It's gonna be a good one, guys. Okay. This is behind the scenes. So I'm walking back to my truck because I forgot to get my money. So yeah, this is where I guess the RV parking is. Yeah, right by the lake, Lake Havasu Lake. So yeah, I have a feeling this is gonna be a good show. Well, it's always a good show. Yeah, stupid me, I forgot my money, but I don't need all of it, so give me a second, guys. Oh God, I gotta record this. Oh, it's recording. Look at this. Just took a break. Stopped his daddy and he's just taking a break. Look at him. Look at him. Good morning, guys. This is Malanalove behind the scenes. And here we are at the car show. Yes. Can you see the car show? Yep. Oh, look at this. That's cool. All
guys, I gotta go to the front. My friends are waiting for me to give them some passes. So yeah, I think it's about 9:30 or so. But yeah, so this is the Rockabilly. Oh, there it is again. Look at this. Look at this. Whoa! That is so cool. You see the most unique things here at this show. Anyhow, okay, I'm gonna turn it around so you guys can see everything when I go back to the show. And again, yes, today's Saturday. I believe it's the 18th. And yep, I'm wearing all my bling. And here we go. Okay, so this is a quick glimpse of the event. This is considered the food court.
Thank you guys for supporting me, Malanalove. Give me a like and thank you again, and give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will update with more videos and more designs for the upcoming season. Thank you, everybody, and see you at the next event.